Hello, friend. Welcome back for speaking English for every single day. Today, I'm at the Laura Carno Stadium. This is my many times to visit this place. Actually, I'm a bit boring with this place, but I don't have a choice. I also still have a lot of things to describe out loud over years, and more and more and more. Because every I practice my English over here, so much stuck, so a lot of stuck. So while I was practicing my English next to the people, while I practicing my English, uh, I don't have a choice. Instead, I nervous and everything just out of my mind. I lost the vocabulary that I have been memorized as well. So I don't know how to make it better. And so today, I think this is good as well uh to ensure more and more and more ensure you can speak in English fluently and you could speak to the another speaker. Yeah, it doesn't matter, I think. And also, even many people realize and recognize me because maybe I've been familiar in this place, so I don't have a choice. Instead, I just straightforward going for what I. So, for instance, for instance, in my face, I can see, I can witness a lot of people take their time, their family time, take a spurt, a little discuss. And it's nice. Yeah, just all the little things that I want to describe out loud. And I just made it without any star in the middle of sentence. And guys, so I also just and guys I was visit SCBD, so the Center of Business in Indonesia. So much fun. So a lot of fun. I was nervous at the time, but my motivations, my brain is just try, and uh, didn't give up, didn't give up to my nervous system. Instead, I just clap out loud. Even it wasn't perfect, right? It wasn't perfect. Yeah, I'm sure it wasn't perfect, but I have a brave. I have a brave that I could get down my nervous system. So once in the time I get down my nervous system, I win. I win the play. I win the game. So that I want to tell you guys instead I first slide. Yeah, that's and and so today the withers the withers is great because the rain just fell down and the air also really clean and nice to breathe. Ah, while I inhale, I don't felt I don't feel pollution or something that bother my nose. Wow. Ah, I enjoy my time today.